my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Nissan Cabstar short wheelbase tipper truck. This is a 2006 model, it's had one previous owner. As we take a look into the cab area, you can see it's been kept clean and tidy by the previous owner. Right, so now on to the final part of the video appraisal and the road test of our Nissan Cabstar tipper truck, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly I'm going to be getting the engine started up. There we go. As you can see, it started up straight away. There's no dashboard warning lights on and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. Now, part of the video appraisal and the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour, so I can demonstrate for you the gears, the steering and the brakes. Now this has got a great gearbox on this. I'm going to demonstrate going through all the 5 gears. There we go. It's a great van to drive, great workhorse. If I take the hands off the steering wheel, as you can see it's driving in a straight line. Give the steering wheel a shake. Really positive. It's got a great turning circle on this tipper truck. And now on approach to roundabout, I'm going to be testing out and demonstrating the brakes for you. Now braking, we'll take the hands off the steering wheel. As you can see, there's no juddering and there's no pulling. And that's the final part of the video appraisal and the road test of our Nissan Cabstar tipper truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.